This is one of the most modular dice you will ever find. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about the unserious. If you are a self-defining geek, passionate about creating, this is the place for you. So click on the subscribe button and click that little bell icon, that way you don't miss anything. These are Lego dice. They are 6-sided dice with a Lego piece fitting on each side. They can be made into ordinary 6-sided dice, but the sides can also be filled with other things such as colored blocks or symbols. Sadly, these dice are no longer in production, so if you want them you need to look at the second-hand market. And honestly, the main reason is probably because most of the games weren't that good. They didn't really use the capabilities of Lego to the extent that was possible. For example, one thing that I would have loved to see, since each side consists of 4 Lego pips, you could have given 24 Lego elements to each player and let them build their own dice. And you could even change the appearance and behavior of the die during game. I could see this mechanic, for example, in a dungeon crawl game, where each player have their own dice that also works as their character sheet, and it changes and evolves during the game depending on what happens and what abilities they choose to expand on. And it's not too late to make this game yet. And if you do, please tell me about it in the comments, because I would love to see this game at some point. To get to know more about different kinds of dice and randomness, there's a playlist over here with all the episodes. And if you like this and would like to help out, then become one of the creative geeks by subscribing and sharing this video with a friend. It really does make a difference and I really appreciate it.